Got everything, my Desizer, my Poly T spray. As you can see, I already got solution in these bottles, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go on and just make some up just so you can see the process. So I'm gonna add 1 ounce of Desizer to 7 ounces of water. So then it's 1 ounce. So we're gonna fill it to 1 cup. We'll just give it a little swirl. I had a funnel somewhere, I don't know where it's at. So this is my bottle mark Desizer, just pour that in. Shake it up. Then we're gonna do the same thing with the Poly T spray itself. 1 ounce of Poly T to 7 ounces of water. And then fill this up to a cup. Poly T cup. Swirl it a little bit, but I don't think that makes a difference. I'm gonna shake the bottle anyway. There's how to make the solution. I'm gonna put this on pause for a second while I get the t-shirt ready to go. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm using a Gildan heavy cotton t-shirt. Hopefully that's in focus for you, you can see it. So it's 100% cotton. And you know they say we can't do sublimation, ink won't take the cotton because there's nothing for the ink to hold on to. So lay my shirt out, get my Desizer. It says spray bigger than the area that you're gonna use and anything under the heat press spray. So I'm gonna just go a little overboard with it, just so you can see that it's in the material. And I'm gonna just fold it on top of itself and kind of just let it push it in, sink into the fabric. Yeah. Then I got my heat press set to 385. Set it under there. With a double piece of butcher paper. I gotta look at the instructions, I forgot how many seconds. Oh yeah, we're pressing it at 35 seconds. You're gonna see steam. Hold on. Wrong thing. I use this cotton towel, sorry. The paper's the next step. So I use this cotton towel to protect it. You're gonna see steam rise. Damp a little lower, a little wet down the bottom, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Just put my shirt back over here. Now, I'm gonna take my poly tee and do the same thing. This is what my design is gonna be running here. Again, fold it over, let it soak into the fibers. And it says either air dry or put it in the dryer. I'm gonna actually just put it under my press, but I'm not gonna apply pressure. Hold it, let the heat. I don't know how this is gonna take, so I'm gonna just stop it and do what I gotta do. There it is, I sped it up at the end. Tired of holding it. So, let me grab my image. Oh, one more thing. So after that stuff dries, you cure it on the heat press for 10 seconds. With the paper doubled over it. hardly see something I don't like. Like you can see where the stuff sprayed. I gotta figure out a way to get around that. Grab my image. So I'm using that Gildan image, doing that collab, working on that. Use it as my sample today. The white with the black image is available on my online store, 12goneapparel.shop. So check it out. Tell me what y'all think about the website, how it's looking. Mostly catered to pot smokers. So if you into pot smoking, I got some nice t-shirts on there for you. I'm going to use my lint roller as usual. Not sure if you have to, but I don't see nothing wrong with it. Alright, again, heavy cotton t-shirt, 100% cotton. Let me just eyeball this. Grab my heat tape. Just use a couple pieces. I'm gonna back this camera up to the heat press. So again, it's 100% cotton. So this is 100% cotton, and sublimation ink doesn't adhere to cotton. So I'm gonna put this double piece of paper over it, and press it at 385 for 70 seconds. There we go. Let's see what happens. 100% cotton. Doing sublimation print on it. See how it turned out. %100% cotton. %100% cotton. Sublimation can be done with that spray. Now next, I'm gonna let this sit for till tomorrow, and then I'm gonna do a wash test. Will be the next video. See how it holds up in the wash. It's kind of crispy. I don't know if I like that. And again, this, I gotta figure out a way to make sure my image is inside, or I spray inside where my image is so I don't get this. But y'all see that outline of it. But again, that's 100% cotton Gildan, man. Sublimation. Like, comment, subscribe. See Paris 12 Gone Apparel. Gone.